Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to breakdance for starters. First, let's get your body ready. Start with a thorough warm-up, focusing on dynamic stretches to increase your flexibility and prevent injuries. Rotate your wrists, ankles, and neck gently. Follow this with about 5 minutes of light cardio, like jumping jacks, to elevate your heart rate. This preparation is crucial for building a strong foundation and ensuring you can execute moves safely and effectively. Now let's dive into toprock, the standing portion of breakdancing. Begin with the Indian step, shifting your weight from side to side. Next, try the crossover step, crossing one foot over the other with a bounce. Focus on keeping your upper body relaxed and your arms engaged, adding your own style. Practice these moves for about 10 to 15 minutes each session, aiming for smooth transitions and a confident rhythm. Moving to the floor, we'll tackle essential footwork, starting with the iconic 6-step. Get down on your hands and feet, keeping your body low. The goal is to move your legs in a circular pattern around your hands, touching the ground with your feet in 6 distinct points. Dedicate at least 20 minutes to practicing this sequence, ensuring each step is clear and controlled. This builds strength and coordination for more advanced floor work. Finally, let's explore your first freeze, the baby freeze. This static pose requires balance and core strength. Position your head on the ground, with one elbow tucked into your stomach for support. Your other hand provides additional balance. Hold this position for 3 to 5 seconds, focusing on keeping your body rigid and controlled. Practice this for about 15 minutes, gradually increasing your hold time as your strength improves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.